Hi there, welcome to our latest market update video. We have delayed this video slightly due to the very sad news before the weekend of the passing of our Queen, and we do come to you in this video in a more sombre mood. As we do each month, we're going to recap what's been happening with the property market, and we're going to try and predict what we think is going to be happening in the property market over the next few months. We've been really so pleased with the number of views these videos have been getting, and if you do want to stay notified of future videos we do, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button. So August is a month when estate agents usually find it's a little quieter. Activity levels tend to drop off a touch, but this market carries on surprising us. We were expecting a quieter month, particularly because this was the first August since the travel restrictions have been lifted since the pandemic. But what we actually experienced was our teams were flat out carrying out lots of viewings and agreeing lots of sales. So despite the headwinds out there in the form of interest rate rises, the cost of living crisis of course, and all the talk of a recession, there is still demand, but it's not the same as we were seeing recently. The ferocious bidding wars, there's not as many of those, and the long waiting lists of people wanting to view houses, those have gone as well. There's not as many of those, and the number of buyers we're seeing out there at the minute is similar to what we were seeing in 2019. Another key theme we are seeing is more properties coming to the market. The latest data from Rightmove shows new listings up 12% on the same period last year. And here across our branches, listings are up 20%. And the number of properties available is 22% higher than this time last year. So more properties coming to the market combined with a slightly slower pace, it's resulting in buyers having more time and more choice. And I think that means the mad rush is over. It has been like we've been on a motorway racing along at 100 miles an hour this last couple of years, and we're now slowing down a touch, moving along nicely, still a good speed, 70 miles an hour, not quite as frantic as it was. With more choice, we think price is going to become really important now if you want to sell. Price your property sensibly and buyers should still come knocking, but the price growth we've seen over the last few months has been far more modest, and I think that's what we expect for the rest of 2022. Much lower price growth than we've been experiencing, and predictions for 2023, I think probably more normal price growth. You know, the property market might normally grow by around 3 to 5% in a year, and I think that's what we might be expecting 2023 to show us. But of course, please keep watching these videos to hear the latest on how the property market's performing. If you've got any burning questions about the property market, let us know in the comments. And of course, if you're thinking of moving, please do get in touch. We're here 8 till 8, 7 days a week. We'd love to talk. Thanks for watching.